Hey, what's going on? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today I have my lovely model, Damiana.
Hello.
And I'm going to be using the Carbon Activated Charcoal Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. And she has the perfect hair type for this, where she's pretty much got normal hair. You know, she's got some color on the ends, and this is the perfect product to add some really deep conditioning, so it's gonna give her hair a little bit of love. The activated charcoal has really great benefits to it. It removes impurities from the hair, and also the other ingredients are gonna really help deep condition her hair. So we're gonna wash it, then we're gonna apply this mask, leave it on for about 20 minutes, come back, and then I'll blow dry it with no product whatsoever so you guys can see the end results. Okay, so I'm done with Damiana's blow dry, and I just want to rake my hands through her hair. And the first thing that I'm feeling is her hair has got a lot of volume to it, and it feels super silky smooth, which is incredible. And you can see the shine from it is really, really phenomenal. And I have to tell you that this is perfect for her hair type because she's kind of got like that fine to medium hair type. You know, she's got some highlights, some previous color in her hair, and you can see how beautiful it is. And I put no products in her hair. I literally just used the hair mask, right? I'm not lying. I didn't put any serums in it, nothing. This is purely from the hair mask, and look at how much shine this has. There's no knots. I can run my fingers right through it whatsoever.
Can I touch it?
Yes, you can feel her hair. You can feel your hair.
Oh my God, it's so soft.
Yeah, it's so soft. Yeah, it's incredible. It's really incredible. So I think the results are gorgeous, and she looks great. So this is, again, the regular version of the Carbon hair mask. So a quick tip when applying the conditioner, what I like to do is kind of squeeze out some of the moisture from the hair after I shampoo it. And then what I'll do is I'll apply the mask from the ends working up to the scalp, and then I'll comb it through to get even distribution from scalp to ends, and that really helps the mask absorb into the hair. Then I'll have it sit for about 20 minutes. If you want a deeper conditioning, then you leave it on for a longer time, or you can leave it on for about 5 minutes or so. So we left this on for about 20 minutes, rinse it off, and here we have the finished result. So once again, guys, this was the Carbon Activated Charcoal Hair Mask. Great for her hair type. The results are gorgeous. Thank you, Damiana, for being my model.
Of course, thank you.
And I'll see you guys soon.